Hey guys, it's me, Fly Forever AG20, and first of all, I want to wish you all a happy new year and welcome on board this first flight of 2024, which is in a Qantas Airways Boeing 737-800 at Frankfurt, a main international airport on runway 07 Charlie. And now I'm gonna take off, so watch me take off. There we go. Now I'm gonna pull up. Gear up. Today we're gonna fly to Brussels International Airport, which is in Belgium. Let me look on the map. Oh wow, plane. We are going very fast right now. Let me see. Our altitude is 3,800. I'll put the throttle at 75% for cruising mode. There we go. Gonna go to the left. We are now still above land. Okay, I'm gonna climb to 10,000 feet right now. Yes. We're good for now. Our plane is now going to the left a little. we are at 13,000 feet. We'll keep level there. As you can see right now, we are now flying at 12,500 feet. We'll stay right there so we can have a good altitude. Yeah. Our airspeed right now is going a lot higher, very high, so yeah, it's like around at 400 knots. Yeah, I'll check on the map which direction we have to go. Yes. That's good. The aircraft is climbing a little. Yep. I think that I see water there. Yeah. We're at a nice speed and a nice altitude, so we'll keep that like this, and we'll now focus on going there we go. We're flying over land today, so you'll not see a lot of water because Germany is inland so it doesn't have a lot of water. Maybe little rivers, lakes. Yeah. We're flying at 16,640 feet. That's a good altitude for now. Look at the view. The view's so good. Oh wow. Let's check on the map again. Yes. This is good. Yeah. Our airspeed is at 376 knots. Oh wow. Look at the big forest here. keeping a good angle. There we go. Turn a little to the left. Now stay in position in the middle. Yes. Oh wow, look at the plane. So nice. Look at the light in the middle, the red light. Oh wow. Yeah. The plane is so nice. Qantas Spirit of Australia. Oh wow. So nice. Let's see where we are right now. I think we're gonna descend a little because we're at 21,000 feet. Let me see. Yeah. Let's turn a little to the right. Oh wow. Oh, ow. Our plane is really high at the moment. Oh wow. It's going so fast. Oh, look at the view. Let me see. Yeah. Yes. We are almost there, guys. Okay, now we'll go a little down, descend a little to 17,000 feet. Oh wow. I have set my throttle at 50%. Okay. Let me see. Yes, so right now we have an altitude of 19,000 feet. We'll descend a little to 17,000 feet. Like I said earlier. Here we go, almost here. Look at the plane. So nice. Wow. Yep, so right now we just got to get to Brussels International Airport. Okay. Yes. Here you have another lake. Oh, is that a forest? Such a big forest, right, guys? Yeah. Now we're at 14,000 feet. That's good for now. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Right now we are still over land, and there are a lot of forests from what I see up here. Oh wow. Wow. Our altitude right now is 12,240 feet, and our airspeed is at 325 knots. Oh wow. Okay, I still see a lot of forests. Oh wow. Very nice view. Oh wow. Look at our Qantas Boeing 737-800. Oh wow. Whew. A little to the left here. And that will be good for now. Yep. Yeah, there we go. We have Brussels International Airport on our map. Oh, and we are almost there. Guys, almost there. Oh. There we go. Okay. So let me see. we are here. Gotta go to the right. Got to go to the right a little bit more. We're coming in like this and then gonna land on that runway. So we gotta go like this and then go there at Brussels International Airport. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Yeah, and I'm gonna start to descend a little because now we're at 9,000 feet. Yeah, I think we'll keep level here. Yeah, we're almost lining up at Brussels International Airport. Okay, there we go. Oh. Steer. Gonna descend. Let me see. Do we have the runway in sight? The airport in sight. There we go. There. Gotta go to our right. Guys, we have another runway here, but that's the other airport. We're not going to there, but we're gonna go towards there and then we're gonna come in for Brussels International Airport. Yeah, we're gonna go a little more further. Yeah. I am super excited to go to Brussels International Airport. Hey, there we go, the other airport. So, now that we know that we are over Belgium, now we're gonna we're gonna start our approach. I'm gonna turn left and then we're gonna come in. Turn left in a long-term way so we can get on the so we can line up on with the runway. There we go. You can see on the map right here in the left corner. Look, there is the other airport. Oh, there's also a lot of forests here. We're gonna go to there and then we're coming in. Yes, almost there. Here, and then we're gonna turn a little bit more. There we go. Turning now. Almost there. Oh wow. We're approaching with the runway. Yeah. Lining up with the runway. Yes, okay, we have the runway in sight. Okay. Let me see. There we go. We're now lined up with the runway. If I am correct, I see the runway a little bit further away. Maybe we'll see it later. We still have a little distance away from the airport. So we can still still line up correctly if we have not done it correct. Yeah. We're gonna fly like that and to our left. Yes, we are almost there. Yeah. Little to the right. Almost there. Yep, almost there. I think we are good for now. Let me see. Do you have the runway in sight? Little to the right. Oh, let's pull up a little. Almost there, guys, almost there. Okay. Almost there, guys, almost. Okay, guys, there's a lot of forest here. Is that the runway? Do not think so. Phew. that the runway? Yeah, that's the runway. Gear down. Oh, there I see the runway. There it is. Gear down. Gear down. Gear down. Oh, I think we have to go around. Our landing gear is not coming out. Go around. Our landing gear did not come down. There we go, now it comes down. Okay, now we'll keep it down so it does not cause any problems anymore during the approach again. We're gonna approach again. Oh no. No guys, no! Mayday, mayday, mayday! We just crashed. Oh no guys, we just crashed. Mayday. Mayday. Oh no. We just crashed because we banked. And I do not know why we banked. Our engines are on fire. Oh no. Yeah. So I think that will be it for today's video, and I'll wish you all a happy new year once again, and may you all feel happy in 2024. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on for more awesome videos like this one, and follow and share this video with everyone. Yeah, everyone. Okay, bye bye.